Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap being flat.
Hey you guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's project, I'm going to start off with this roll of fabric that I got from Walmart. Recreation inspiration comes from seeing Miss Dearra wear this $35 Fashion Nova dress that I was not going to pay for. In order to achieve this, the first thing I'm going to do is unroll my fabric. With 2 layers of fabric, I'm going to measure and cut out an 18 by 36 inch rectangle. But your measurements may be different depending on your size. After you've cut out your rectangular piece of fabric, you're going to go ahead and mark where your neck hole and armholes will be. When making your own clothes, you should always do a fittings test to make sure everything is fitting just right. At this point, the only thing I've sewn together was the shoulders, and I'm showing you that this is the neckline, and I'm going to close up the side seams of the dress. This is the dress after the side seams have been closed. Now it's time to move on to the hemming of the shoulders, not the shoulders, the sleeves and the neckline. Here I am doing all the hemming of the neckline and the sleeves with a straight stitch. The Fashion Nova dress did have a cutout, but I didn't want that. But if you do want it, make sure you cut a hole smaller than the size that you want and hem it, and it should be fine. After all the hemming is finished, the dress is done. Here's how mine turned out. I absolutely love the dress. It was a very simple and easy DIY. I want to know what you guys think. Should I have made the cutout, or do you guys think the dress was fine the way it is? If you do decide to recreate this dress, I would love to see it. You can tag me on Instagram at deja.marie. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!